first starting your business, one of the things you're going to want to do is create samples. At STAHLS, we've created a new marketing kit that's going to help you try different products, create apparel, and sell designs to your customers. The STAHLS Marketing Kit includes everything you need to get started. Let's walk through some of the contents. First, you'll get the application instruction wall graphic that highlights all of the materials and the exact time, temperature, and pressure that you need to apply them. You can mount this next to your heat press for easy reference as you adopt these products. There's also a guide for every transfer that's in the kit. It tells you the product name, the design you should be looking for, and it highlights all 12 designs. One of my favorite parts about this kit is that they are designed to be full front t-shirt graphics. So not little small samples, things you can actually create onto the apparel you want, photograph and market on your website, social media presence, or in person to a customer. We do include one black t-shirt to help you get started with your first application. Now, just going through some of the designs, we have glow in the dark, glitter, high visibility 3M reflective, foil-like finishes like metallic, stretchable finishes that apply at a low temp like Premium Plus, silicone, which is a really unique product with stretch and a rubbery texture, our soft flock material, which has a fuzzy velvet-like texture as well, goes really nice on fleece. Soft foam, this is a dimensional print that's going to look raised like the brand insignias that you see on performance wear. Thermofilm, which is one of our top sellers. Ultraweed, which is our latest made in the USA heat transfer film. And then, of course, our patterns in the buffalo plaid. So 12 full sets of samples, I almost forgot. Also our foil with adhesive, which is a really fun and unique process to create a metallic finish. All of this included in the kit. We also include some other extras. Our CAD prints transfers are full color digital transfers, so you have the heat transfer vinyl custom CAD cut that we can cut for you or order by the roll, or you can get digital transfers, full color gradients, and practice applying that in one of our top selling products. Additionally, if you want to try our industry leading name and number products, you'll have a kit of name and numbers to apply as well as some coupon codes and helpful tips with top heat press accessories. Everything you need to get started in your business if you own a heat press is included in this kit. We've created this kit based on apparel decorator feedback because you guys always have asked for samples to try different products to be able to see and touch the finishes and to help you sell and grow. So we hope this is something that will help do just that. Help you grow in your apparel decorating business. If you think it's a fit for you, check out the link that's included in the description. Also, leave a comment to let us know what you think of the new STAHLS Marketing Kit. Thanks for watching.